Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Christina Fogel. Today I'm going to make chocolate covered strawberries, and because it's spring, I'm going to have a little bit of fun and make them look like little carrots. To make these really cute little chocolate covered strawberries, all I need is some fresh strawberries, and I went ahead and washed them and dried them really well. And then I'm going to use some little candy melts. I'm going to melt those in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time and stirring after each interval until it completely melts. And then I'm going to use a baking sheet and some parchment paper and a couple spoons. You can color white chocolate if you want, but you do have to use an oil-based food coloring. I used the little leaves as kind of a handle, and I was turning them in the melted chocolate, but I wasn't getting a very smooth line on top, so then I just started using the spoon and spooned it over the strawberry, and that seemed to work better. I liked the way it looked a little bit better. And I kind of carefully, used a spoon to get some of the extra chocolate off too. I took a few of the extra candy melts and put them in a little plastic bag. I microwaved it for about 15-20 seconds until it melted, and then just snipped the end off and used that to drizzle over the strawberries. I thought it made kind of a real pretty effect. It's a lot of fun to make these. I've never made them before. This is the first time I tried them, so I thought it'd be really pretty. I was making a cake, and I thought that looked really nice on it. I'm gonna refrigerate these for a half hour. I only kept them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes just to set the chocolate. These chocolate covered strawberries are best served the day you make them. You can keep them in the refrigerator, but the chocolate will start to discolor a bit. You can also freeze them, but you have to eat them frozen because once they thaw, they'll get soggy. The link to the carrot cake video is down below in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the like button. The recipe's on the website. It's ChristinaFogel.com.